we get now to this 4-year ban handed down by the World Anti-Doping Agency WADA on Russia from all major sporting events. So no Olympics, no Paralympics, no World Championships, no World Cup football will see the national flag or hear the national anthem of Russia for at least the next 4 years. All in response to the findings that the Russian government sponsored and run a widespread doping program. But again though, the obvious questions remain. Is this more to do with politics than sports? And is state-sponsored doping necessarily worse or even more far-reaching than private doping? And was it that all Russian athletes were mandated to take drugs, and if they disobeyed, then face the firing squad? Or are there some Russian athletes who have never taken drugs? If so, why punish the innocent? Have Russians failed more dope tests than any other nationality at global events such as the Olympics, the World Championships, the Diamond League, and even in international football? And yes, since there is evidence of doping, by all means, test the Russians more. And who tests positive, get banned. And who don't test positive should be free to compete like any other athlete from any other country. I think WADA is being extreme. They are using a hammer to kill an ant. So what are we doing? So what are